Hi, in this video we will calculate the concentration of magnesium chloride in the final solution after 2 consecutive dilutions. So we can do this problem in several ways, and in the solution sheet you've got one way of doing it, and here you will see a different way of doing the same problem. So what is given is you've got 3.2 grams of magnesium chloride in 34 milliliters of water. Okay, so that's the first step. So let's work out the concentration of that. So that's around 0.094 grams per milliliters. So it's very cumbersome to use decimal numbers and keep writing 0.094. And this is where the scientific notation comes very handy. So we can write the same number, 0.094, as 94 times 10 to the power minus 3. What this means is we are dividing 94 by 1000 to get 0.094. That's what it means. So the way you do it is by moving the decimals forward by 1. So you get 0.94. That corresponds to 10 to the power minus 1. Another movement forward, that will be 10 to the power minus 2. And another one to put the decimal after the 4. That means it's 94 times 10 to the power minus 3, and that will be grams per milliliters. Okay, so which is same as 94 milligrams per milliliters. So that's fine. And in the morning in the class, I did say that as long as the prefixes are same in the numerator and the denominator, you can write the units in any prefixes you want. So I can write this as 94 micrograms per microliters as well. The reason why I'm writing the microliters the denominator is in the next step we're going to be doing something, which is we're going to be taking 4 microliters. So we've got the volume in microliters, so by having the denominator in microliters, so it makes the multiplication and conversions much easier. So that was the first step. The second step was, so you take 4 microliters of 94 micrograms per microliters, and then you add it to 20 microliters of water. So in 4 microliters, how many micrograms would there be? So it'll be 4 microliters times 94 micrograms per microliters. So I can cancel these ones out. So it's going to be 376 micrograms. This is going to be dissolved in a total of 20 plus 4 microliters. The concentration is going to be 376 micrograms on 24 microliters, which is approximately 15.7 micrograms per microliters. Right, so we've gone past the second step. The third one is we're going to be taking 2 microliters of the solution 2, and then 2 microliters of 15.7 micrograms per microliters, and then we add it to 50 microliters of water. So the total volume is going to be 52 microliters. So let's calculate how many micrograms of solute, or magnesium chloride in this case, is present in 2 microliters. So now in 1 microliters we've got 15.7. So it's in 2 microliters it's going to be 2 times 15.7 micrograms per microliters. The microliters cancels, so it's going to be around, so that's going to be 31.7 micrograms. So now this is dissolved in 52 microliters, right? That's the total volume. So when you divide that, what you get is around 0.6 micrograms per microliter. As I said earlier, as long as the prefixes are the same in the numerator and the denominator, you can write it as 0.60 nanograms per nanoliter as well. But usually nanoliter is really small, so you don't have to give it in nanoliters. So 0.6 micrograms per microliter, that should be fine for this problem. So that's going to be the final concentration of the solution after 2 dilutions.